Jimdo Dolphin Website Builder Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. In this video, we'll dive into Jimdo Dolphin, a website builder that claims to help users create professional websites in minutes using artificial intelligence to simplify the process. Designed for small business owners, freelancers, and individuals looking to establish a presence online without coding, Jimdo Dolphin offers an intuitive and user-friendly platform. It features an AI-driven setup process where you answer a few simple questions, and the platform automatically generates a website tailored to your needs. You can easily customize the design, add content, and optimize the website for search engines, all through a streamlined drag-and-drop interface. One of its standout strengths is its speed. The AI quickly generates a website, and the intuitive interface allows for quick adjustments without overwhelming you with too many options. Jimdo Dolphin also offers integrated e-commerce features, making it a solid choice for those wanting to sell products online. It supports online stores, secure payment gateways, and inventory management, which is ideal for small-scale e-commerce businesses. Furthermore, the platform includes built-in SEO tools, analytics, and the ability to add a blog, ensuring that users can effectively manage and grow their websites. However, while Jimdo Dolphin excels in ease of use and speed, it does have some limitations. The design flexibility is somewhat restricted compared to other website builders like Wix or WordPress. Customizing layouts and templates beyond the AI-generated options can be challenging. Additionally, while the e-commerce features are solid for small businesses, larger stores with more complex needs may find Jimdo Dolphin lacking in advanced functionality. Another drawback is its limited app marketplace, which could be a deal-breaker for those who need additional integrations. In conclusion, Jimdo Dolphin is a great choice for users who prioritize speed and simplicity over advanced customization. Its AI-driven setup is perfect for those who want to launch a professional-looking website quickly. But if you need more design flexibility or a feature-rich platform for larger businesses, you may want to explore other options. It's an excellent tool for personal websites, small businesses, and anyone looking for a no-fuss solution to building an online presence.